Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G and another Christmas in July video. Today I'm going to be doing a Steampunk Wreath Christmas card. Now I've got two 6x6 card bases here and I've just used my, I'll tell you what the measurement is, my 3-inch circle die to cut out a circle, and I've got these cog gear dies. And I've just cut out loads of different sized cogs and gears using some silver and gold, what do you call it now? Silver and gold mirrored cardstock. So I was thinking about stamping these cogs on here on my card base. I'm going to stamp out these cogs from this two-piece stamp set, this Steampunk Christmas stamp set, which is available in my store, and I'm going to use my silver pigment ink, and this is also available from my store, and I'm going to just stamp it just to give the background paper some interest. Let's have a look at my cards. So I am going to glue these embellishments, these wheels, all the way around. Some will be, some will have dimensions, some won't. So I'm going to use my art glitter glue. I don't have enough to do the white one, but I would do exactly the same as I have done here with the white one. Now I'm going to add some of the metal ones that I sell in my store. Add some of the bronze ones as well. And again, just using the art glitter glue. Okay, then on the centre, I think I'm going to stamp the Merry Christmas from Meme Stamp Set, Celebrate the Season. I'm going to stamp it just here, and I'm going to use the silver again. It's really pale. It's really pale craft, you don't really see it, so I think I'm going to try the Memento Black, because the silver here is too pale, you don't see it through the card. So let's try the Memento Black, and let me see if I can do it so there's a shadow almost effect. There we go, so it says Merry Christmas, and then you see the Merry Christmas from the outside. Do I want to round my edges? I think I do. You know I have a habit of rounding my corners. I do like having round corners. Do I just want to do the top and the bottom? Or do I want it all round? Nope. I'm going to do it all the way around. And then I will simply do the same thing on the white card crafters, but there you go. This is a Steampunk gear wreath card. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon with more Christmas in July craft. Take care now. Bye bye.